Babo Kabalen, kamusta? My name is Louie and welcome to my vlog. Ayun, so kamusta? This is actually my first vlog during the ECQ period. And yeah, kumusta kayo dyan? Kumusta kayo sa bahay nyo? At ano na yung mga ganap-ganap sa inyo, no? So this vlog is actually regarding my post yesterday. So nagpost ako sa Facebook wall ko and this is what I posted. Gusto ko ng biryani. Bigla kaming nag-crave ni Mrs. ng Indian food. Ayun nga no, so my friend Harold commented someone who I will be meeting today. Para, yun nga, kasi nag-order ako ng biryani sa kanila. So, we're gonna get the biryani today. It's May 1. It's Labor Day. Supposedly, it's a holiday in the Philippines. Pero, yun nga, hindi naman natin masyadong mapapansin yun kasi nasa, bahay nga tayo. But to, celebrate a little bit, magbi-biryani day tayo ngayon. Actually, masala. So, ang in-order pala namin ay beef masala and biryani rice. So, we're gonna be, yeah, just join me. Tara! Hi guys! Na-miss ko to? Ito! Itong camera ko, na-miss ko! Hi!
Magdala kang kay stabilizer.
Stabilizer?
Oo.
Wala mo tayo stabilizer?
Wala yan. Wala.
Louis, see you later!
Bye!
Okay.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling.
Actually, matagal-tagal din akong di lumabas. Almost 2 weeks siguro. Yung last time na nag-grocery ako. Ito kasi yung main road ng Olongapo Road, OG Road, or the Jose Abad Santos Avenue. So, medyo marami talagang sasakyan dito.
Sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
Alright, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa Save More Telebastagan. So ito yung SMCT Telebastagan. And dito natin imimit yung kausap natin na tao. Saan tayo nag-order? Ayun, nakikita siya. Hello sir! Fist bump. Louie.
Ay, opo. Arian po.
Arian, ayan. Welcome kang vlog ko. Okay. Alright. Magkano yan, sir?
Yes, sir. Ang gay half beef masala tamo 700.
Okay.
Ano yung biryani sa rice,
Wapin.
sir?
Thank you. Shout out kay ano. Maluwan na ka magluto, sir.
Di, sir, kaya mo. Ngayon mong tinry ko mong ngayon mong lockdown talaga.
Totoo.
Pero kaya kong kusina dati mag-go, bro.
No ka rin?
Kanita kaya kong hotel, Heveya Hotel.
Haveya. Itang kining...
Kinong friendship.
Wow. Nano may Harold?
Kapatid niya yung kapatiran, sir.
Okay. Actually, nabingi kami kahit talagang may crave kami kahit Indian food.
Sir, sakit.
Alright, kaya tayo, sir. Okay. Dala salamat. Peace
Thank you, sir.
ba?
Thank you.
See you around.
Sir.
Ingat kayo po.
Thank you po.
Alright, so nakuha na natin yung in-order natin na Indian food. Excited na ako, grabe. Indian food, here we come.
The dark clouds up in the air, a weight on my shoulders, it's dragging me down, and no one's there to break my spell. Then lightning strikes and I'm seeing an angel walking in the sand.
Hi! Hello! Hey baby! Ayun, so nakauwi na nga ako ng bahay and super excited ako na matikman na yung in-order natin ngayon and papakita ko muna sa inyo yung table. There you go. So, ito yung beef masala ng Indian Thai to go. Indian Thai to go. Ito yung na Facebook fan page nila. And in order natin is beef masala. And then they are kind enough to give us a taste test dito sa kanilang rice biryani. Check that out! So ang story nga actually kagabi, nagkakwentuhan kami ni Mrs. and then sabi ko, nagkikrave ako ng Indian food. So galing na nga akong India and super, natikman ko yung authentic Indian food there. And ever since talagang nagkikrave ako ng mga So this is 700 pesos and this is I think around 400 pesos. Confirm ko na lang yun. So, let's start with this. The biryani rice. Ayan rice. Yung biryani rice nila actually, ito yung talagang long grain rice. Yan So, medyo pricey din talaga to pag bibilhin sa labas. Then, tikman natin itong, look at that! Ooh! So, lapit ko lang. Kuha tayo nito. So guys, if you're interested to taste or nagkikrave kayo ng Indian food or Thai food, make sure to check out their fan page, Indian-Thai to go. Or yeah, I'm just gonna include it sa natin, sa information page, section natin. So ayan, tikman na natin. Oh man! Solid, legit no? Sobrang lambot ng beef, as in it melts in your mouth. Tapos, I think the spiciness is just fine. And then, the taste, yun yung pinaka-importante. Super authentic. Yung mga spices na ginamit dito, siguradong di sa tinited. So, isa pa. Melts in your mouth. Super. I must say, it's a recommend. It's a recommend, guys. Right, so last bite before I leave you guys. Last spoon. Oh man, super duper ang lambot ng beef. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga ingredients ng Indian food, ng mga spices na ginagamit, pero as of now, it doesn't matter kasi craving super satisfied. Regardless what happens, kung ano yung magiging new normal natin, stay safe guys. Always be with your family, make memories, and then yeah, just enjoy the time. As of now, kung may problema man tayo, lilipas din yan guys. Maraming salamat po for watching. We're in Pampanga. I think this is gonna be my new norm sa mga vlogs ko. So, thank you for watching. Until our next craving. Bye-bye.